please enjoy yourself tonight by getting more food, since we cannot pay the gift that you will be sharing with us. And participants, come off island, please get more food. Don't lose weight when you go back. We need you to gain weight and be happy when you go back. So, I don't know if there's any other wants to say something. The floor is open, or else get some food and go to sleep. Enjoy.
For midnight snacking and the fruits is good. Midnight snack.